Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Skar King and Shimo teaming up in a close-up, getting ready to battle Kong and Godzilla. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Skar King Shimo team-up, let's begin with Skar King. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to bring this up to here for the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then up. Then I'm going to make a couple little wrinkle lines here, and then a few little wrinkle lines behind the eye. Next, I'm going to make some lines that just kind of come down with a few little wrinkle lines on here. Then for the nose, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this down. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line around and then back here. Then I'll add a couple little lines around here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then down to here. And then I'm going to curve it around and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines here, and then I'm going to make kind of like a zigzag line around the bottom. Now for the teeth on Skar King, I'm going to begin by making a sharp kind of canine teeth that goes down and up. Then I'll curve one and bring it straight across. Do another one here, and then one more here. Then we'll make like a small fang on the other side. We'll make a line here for the gum. Then I'll do another rounded tooth here with a line here. Right here we'll do the big sharp bottom teeth. Then we'll make a couple more little bumps here with another pointed tooth here and a line here. We'll kind of curve this. Next I'll bring a line down and another one here. We'll bring a line here and a line here for the back of the mouth. Next, I'm going to make another line right here. I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. I'm going to bring this line right here. Now for the head, I'm going to bring some long kind of curved lines over here. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then down. Then I'm going to make some kind of pointed zigzag lines that come down, and then they're going to curve in. I'm going to bring these down to this line that we made. I'm going to make a little line here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then right to here. We're going to make a little kind of curve hook shape here. And then we're going to put a couple little kind of broken lines in here. Like a little line here. And then a little line down here. Next I'm going to make some broken lines here. And then a couple little lines here for the side of his head. And then right up here I'm going to put some kind of pointed lines right there. Next I'm going to bring some kind of long broken lines up here. And then a couple on his head and eyebrows as well. And we'll kind of make a few little extra lines here and a little line there. Now, once we have Skar King's face, then we're going to move on to Shimo. So I'm going to put Shimo over here. We're going to start the eye here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down. I'm going to kind of go up, over and up, and then over and up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up for the actual eye. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and then up and down for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to make some little broken lines right around here. And then right here for the nose, I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve down, and then we're going to come back up, almost kind of like a little boomerang. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, kind of to a point, and I'm going to bring this up and around to here. Make a little line here, and then another little broken line here. I'm going to make a line curves around for the nostril, and a little line over here for the other one. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some kind of broken wavy lines to here. I'm going to bring this line up and in. I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line up to here for the mouth. Next, I'm going to add some teeth in here. So Shimo's teeth are going to be kind of small, and they're going to be kind of spaced apart here. So I'm going to put some different little teeth there. Then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom, just kind of some small pointed teeth. Now for the tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then one more is going to go up and down. Kind of curve this to here, and then curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to jump over some teeth. I'm going to bring this line over. A couple of little wrinkly lines, and we're going to come down and then over to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out. It's going to be kind of bumpy, and then it's going to come in. We're going to put another line that's going to come out here, and then a little line all the way up to here. I'm going to draw two long broken lines right here for the nose. And then a little line here. I'm going to make a line up to here, and I'm going to make some kind of points that just go up and then down right here along the head. Now I'm just going to kind of make these long, kind of curved lines right around here. And I'm going to make some of these kind of extra bumpy lines over here for some more texture. I'm going to make kind of like a long line that's going to come up to here, and then it's going to come down, and then another one up here. And I'm going to make these kind of big lines over here. These are just going to kind of look like where the spikes are, where all Shimo's big pointed spikes are coming off. I'm going to make a couple small ones over here too. I want to add some broken lines here, and a couple lines here. Then I'm just going to make some kind of extra little broken details right around here on some different spots. I want to make some lines that are going to come across the nose as well. And then a few little lines right around here as well. I'm also going to put some little spikes kind of right on the head too. Just show that where some of the little big pointed spikes are going to start off from. Then we're just going to add a few little extra lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Skar King and Shimo face-off picture. Kind of getting ready to team up. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.